We are aware of this pipe distribution network for the long time, but after the 2013 land acquisition bill, we are supposed to pay a huge amounts against the land acquisition. So in Maharashtra also, we have adopted large pipe distribution network in the balance irrigation potential creation activity. You can we know the main national project in Maharashtra is the Gosigut project, and we have almost 1 lakh hectare plus area is planned under PDN now, and the entire work is in progress. So pipe distribution network is definitely a better alternative. There are two advantages. One is the conveyance efficiency will improve, and secondly, with monitoring as suggested by Mr. Jaiswal, if we can deliver that water in the ponds and which can be utilized by micro irrigation by the farmers, so timely delivery of the water is possible through these pipe distribution networks. And if you have distributed farm ponds in the command area, farmers can have their micro irrigation. We are going one step ahead actually. We have integrated pipe distribution network along with the micro irrigation. Actually, micro irrigation is the activity of the agriculture department supported by the CAD program by the central government. But in some of the PM-KSY project, we are not stopped up to the farm level, to the delivery up to the farm, but on-farm activities are also included as a project part. So water will be delivered from the source to the crop, including micro irrigation. So whatever subsidies and all that are given by the agriculture department to the farmers, that we are giving in the form of kind, and we have a tie-up with the agriculture department. They are ready to transfer all these subsidies directly to the irrigation projects. As we are discussing on irrigated agriculture only, these are two terms, irrigation and agriculture. Mr. Mai, unfortunately, these two major departments, they are not in a frequency nowadays. We always say that whatever work is being done in the agriculture universities, that should really come on the field. 2 decades back, agriculture extension programs which were taken in the village level or in the farm level, they are nearly stopped. In the irrigation side, we have started reducing the irrigation staff. Then we are adopting water user associations, and we are expecting the participatory irrigation management. So all in this changing scenario, unless the agriculture universities, agriculture department, along with the water resources, if we are jointly reaching on the field up to the farm level, then only we will definitely achieve the advantage of this PDN, I think.